at the lower left corner, the first one is the status of our remote controller, and the second one is the status of our aircraft. And now we may go to the right place of our RC. After I click here, you can see three things here. First one, routes and devices and user. And now I may click on the routes. So after clicking routes, you can see the field, or we may call it plot, already being mapped in this RC. So I will long press this field, and you can see different choices listed at the bottom. The first one, upload and rename, and also can delete this field and cancel. Okay, I will go back. And for the second one, devices. After we click devices, you can see all parts of our aircraft, like agricultural system and aircraft and battery and remote controller, and all different versions of these different parts in our aircraft. And like older version, you can do all the upgrading you want. Now I will go back and click on user. So the next page is about our account information. Now here, you can see the account information, the account, my team and company, and task area, task time, and all the field you have already been mapped. Alright, next I will show you how to switch the account. I will press logout, and next I will press confirm. And here I will log in a new account. So now I have already logged in a new account, and I will press on user. As you can see, the Dex Morgan is the new account I've just logged in. And also you can see the information on the task area, task time, all the things. Next, I will go back and show you the new function that this application has done. That is to merge fly and mapping into one device. That is begin. Okay, now I will click this. And now we will start from here. At the upper corner, upper left corner, this green line actually shows the status of our aircraft. And just below there is alarm information of our aircraft. Sometimes this RC will give us alarms of our aircraft. And next, at the left middle one, I will click this, and you can see this list actually shows all the fields you have already mapped. Alright, so next one, at the lower left corner, this black area is actually the screen of our FPV camera. Next one, we go to the bottom. At the middle bottom of the screen, you can see the parameters of all the settings, like the dosage, altitude, flow rate, and speed, distance, and operated area. And all the parameters can be adjusted. Alright, we can go to the top of the screen. Now this one is actually the switch of our radar. We can choose to turn on or turn off the switch. And next one is the GPS status. And the number nearby is the number of the satellites. And next, for this number and logo is the battery level of our aircraft. And the right corner is the battery level and signal for our remote controller. And below this, the first one, if you click this, it is about to lock our drone. And next one is to locate our drone. And the next one is to locate the position of our remote controller. Alright, so you can see the right corner, also this routes mode. I click on this, and this special function will tell you to choose different routes mode, like the first one, routes mode and orchard mode and manual mode. Choose anyone according to your need and interest. So next, you can see the lower right corner. The first one is mapping, and the second one is editing. Like you can map any point and edit the point or the map you have just used. And the last one is use. Alright, and another important factor is here. This small line here is actually telling you how much liquid left in your tank. So with this function, you can tell any time the liquid left in your tank. Alright, we will go to the settings. Next, I will give you the introduction of our main settings. And I will click on this. And the first one, we will go to the work. As you can see, the work menu bar tells us the flow rate and rotation speed, and always we know to do the spraying test before every operation we do. It is down here. And also for the pump calibration and pump reset, also down here. And next is a setting menu bar for RC remote controller. Still, make sure you choose the right gesture mode, or we call it joystick mode, before you operate. And you can also do the calibration of our remote controller. Next thing is for our aircraft. It actually contains the most important factors of our drone. Now you can see the magnetic compass and IMU compass. Its calibration is very important. And still, we need to adjust the parameters if we want, like the takeoff return height and takeoff return speed and maximum flight altitude. All the settings are for your safety. And also, you can choose to adjust the spraying complete action and task complete action and return action if you want. Next, we go to the setting for position. So, the most important factor for overseas clients in position is about RTK account manage. I will click on manage, and you can see the configuration here. And I click this. If you want to configure any files or data you want, you can choose the settings here. And next, we go to the radar setting menu bar. As we know, the radar setting is always about terrain following and obstacle avoidance. So here, it provides terrain following switch and also operation scenario. And obstacle avoidance, and still obstacle bypassing switch. You can choose to turn it on if you want. And the last thing is for the monitor of our radar angle. You can check the rear radar angle and front radar angle here. Next, we go to the settings for our battery. Just like our smartphone, the cycle count and versions are important for our batteries. And more functions are provided in this new app, like the UPS backup switch. You can choose to turn it on for improving your efficiency in operating. And also, for the worries on protection, you can choose to adjust the parameters of our low battery level protection, and always low battery level protection action. And different levels are set in this new application. Like another level is for severe low battery protection and severe low battery level protection action. Next one, we go to the load setting menu bar. Here, you can see the weight meter, or we call it weight sensor. And one upper is a tire calibration. We can choose to reset this calibration. And now you can see the calibration is successful. And the last setting is for more. This more setting is always about the log you want to upload. Like here, the app log and the aircraft log. You can upload both things. And another one is for the measurement unit. You can always choose to adjust the measurement unit you want. Now we go back to the main page. And that's all for today's tutorial. And please subscribe us to unlock more crop protection skills.